if your iPhone camera is shaking, making weird buzzing noises, or your pictures keep coming out blurry, here's what you can do. First, this might sound basic, but clean your camera lens. A fingerprint smudge or some dust can mess up your focus. Next, open your camera app and try switching between front and back cameras or between the different lenses if you have multiple. If only one is shaking or buzzing, that helps narrow it down. Sometimes a simple restart can fix it. Just power off your iPhone and turn it back on. If you're still having issues, go to your settings and check if there's an update available. If there is, install it. Apple often fixes camera bugs in updates. And if the shaking happens only inside apps like Instagram or Snapchat, it might be their app issue. Try using the built in camera and see if it's better. And lastly, if your iPhone was dropped recently, the camera module could be damaged. That buzzing or blurry image might be hardware, so you will want to get it checked at a service center. Do let me know if this helped, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips.